If you are sitting on a mountain of home equity, but you don't want to touch your current low mortgage rate, a HELOC is exactly what you need. Unlike a standard home equity loan that gives you a lump sum, a HELOC works just like a giant credit card secured by your property. In 2026, average HELOC rates have dropped to their lowest levels in years, making them a much smarter way to borrow than high-interest personal loans. You only pay interest on the money you actually spend, which gives you total flexibility for home renovations or emergency expenses. During the initial draw period, which usually lasts 10 years, you can choose to make interest-only payments to keep your monthly costs incredibly low. This is the perfect tool for consolidating high-interest credit card debt into a single, much lower monthly payment that saves you thousands. However, you must remember that your home is the collateral, so you need a disciplined plan to pay back the balance before the repayment period starts. At lower mortgage rates, we help you unlock your lazy equity so your home can finally start working as hard as you do.